Today we will see how to create multiple pivot tables from a single Google form. So this is my form that I will fill and it will land here. And from this data we will create two different tables in two different tabs. Right now they are empty, and along this video we will see how to create two tables using one Google form. So let's do the entries. So as you can see here, I am submitting multiple responses here randomly, and they are populated here. So now let's do two more entries for good data to play with. So now we have multiple entries here on different timestamps. Let's see what we can do. So one option over here is to create different views based on different columns. If we click this, you will have two different groups, which has two problems here. Number one, this is temporary and can only be seen by you until you save the view, which is not very likely, because the second problem here is this table is grouped. This is one table and you don't want that. So this is not the option you have. Let's divert it. Is there any other view? Create a filter view. And if I click here and say give me brownie, I have this view. But still there is a problem that it is just on this single page. I need data on two different tabs, so these options are not really useful for me. So what is the way around? You can use query function. Query, it's asking for data. Give it this data. Ask it to select all where B is equal to Daisy 0. 0 means that it will bring the headers as well. So here you can see, this is fine. So here you can see that, let me just beautify it. You only have one data set, not the entire. Now we can repeat this formula here as well. Select all where B is equal to brownie. Well, I get hungry when I talk about brownies. So let's color this as well. Now this is a dynamic table. It will update as we get more data. So now this is Daisy and this is Brownie. So now let's fill out more forms. And you can see that here we have 4 brownies. Now we will have 5. So it is automatically done. So now from this single table you have 2 tables. I hope that helps.